In the previous video, we learned about what RDBMS is and how it is used for all SQL servers. What we're going to be learning about in this lesson is what NoSQL is and when to use it. So what NoSQL is basically any type of data information storage that doesn't use the same structure as an RDBMS. So it doesn't have tables that are relational to each other. The reason that you would use a NoSQL type of database is if you're looking for information that is unstructured. So you're storing information that you might not know the structure that's coming in. You are using it for rapidly changing types of data. So you're getting a bunch of data from this website and you're not specifically sure what type of data you're going to be taking in. You're going to want to use a NoSQL type of server. Now, what I have listed here are 4 different types of NoSQL servers. First, we have what is known as a key value server. And how a key value server works is very simple. If you know what a dictionary is, that is what a key value data storage is. It's simply where you have a key, and when you query for the key, it gives you what value the key belongs to that key. These are typically used with text, video, or JSON documents. The next type of data storage that we have is what are called document storage. You'll see this in the MongoDB database, and what they are is you have a key. It's very similar to what a key value storage is, but instead of just having one value returned, you will have all the information on that key returned. So instead of a single value, you'll get multiple values. Next, we have what is known as wide column stores. And this is a little bit complex, but you can think of it as a table type of data storage, except for the columns inside of the table can vary from row to row across the table. Also, within the table, the way that it stores information is not based off of the column, but is based off of the related columns. So if they're grouped together, if each column is related to each other and each row is related to each other. So this makes it faster for search ability. Next is what is known as a graph stores. Graph stores are database types of graphs structures, and they use graphs, maps, and query relationships to actually store information. And they provide index-free adjacency so that adjacent elements are linked together without using an index. So we actually don't have to have any indexes for graphs. So I just have the two simplest, the key value and the documents visualization for you. So for the key value, what you're going to simply do is put in the key David and you'll get a value Baker. And then with the document storage, if you put in the key David, you'll pull up a document with the information of David, where it'll have David Baker, maybe the street and city that he lives in, or a phone number. Thank you. I hope that this video has been helpful for you to learn about what NoSQL databases are, and hopefully that will get you interested in learning more about them. In the next video, I'm going to be comparing NoSQL to RDBMS servers. Again, my name is David Baker, and this video is brought to you by creativeonlineschool.com.